Well, we have continuing coverage this evening of the 3 people arrested in connection to a murder that happened in Bradford County, Pennsylvania. WENY's Lindsay Madison attended a press conference this afternoon and shares more on what law enforcement says went down.
Today, Pennsylvania State Police detailed how they learned of the murder of Michael Pruitt and how they acted quickly to arrest Ronda Parker, Terry Parker, and Summer Heil. The Bradford County District Attorney also brought up the fact that Pennsylvania does allow for the death penalty and how it could be appropriate in this case. State police say on March 11th, they were made aware of text messages between Ronda and her estranged husband Terry Parker that indicated someone had been killed, their body disposed of, and attempts were made to conceal and clean a crime scene. Hours after receiving that information, troopers were able to identify a location on Sawyer Road in Springfield Township where the alleged crime took place and also found human remains on the property. But the investigation wasn't limited to Bradford County.
Troopers from Troop H Harrisburg, Troop H Carlisle, and our department's Bureau of Criminal Investigation assisted us in taking Terry Parker and Summer Heil into custody.
Terry Parker is accused of shooting Michael Pruitt multiple times at Ronda Parker's home. Police say Ronda and Terry wrapped up Pruitt's body, put it in the trunk of Terry's car, and drove to Harrisburg for the night. They later returned to Ronda's house in Bradford County with Terry's girlfriend, Summer Heil, where Terry and Heil are accused of removing Pruitt's body from the trunk, dismembering him, and then burning him in a burn pit on Ronda's property. Court documents also detailed that the night of the murder, Ronda Parker was holding a 1-year-old child when Pruitt was shot in the bedroom. Police say that child is safe. State police also addressed allegations that Pruitt had been sexually inappropriate in front of 2 other children in Ronda's home weeks before the murder.
That is actively being investigated as we speak. I can confirm today that those allegations of purported sexual acts by the victim had not been previously reported to state police, they had not been reported to Childline, and they had not been reported to any other law enforcement agency.
According to Bradford County District Attorney Richard Wilson, the Parkers could potentially face the death penalty.
And in this case, the fact that a 1-year-old child was present at the time of the death of Michael Pruitt, that could be an aggravating circumstance to justify the Commonwealth seeking the death penalty in this case.
The district attorney says the 3 suspects are scheduled for preliminary hearings in district court in Troy on March 27th, but that might not happen. The DA says there is a lot of evidence to accumulate and share regarding the 3 defendants, and a hearing will likely be held at the Bradford County Courthouse at a later date. He says a decision on seeking the death penalty will be made before a formal arraignment. Reporting from Bradford County, Lindsay Madison, WENY News.